Hi guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video will show you guys how I turn these Dollar Tree faux leather panels into a jacket. The first thing I'm going to do is take out and lay out all 4 of my leather panels. Working with 2 panels at a time, take them and put them right sides together and trace a shirt's sleeve that you like the size of, like this. After tracing the first sleeve to the first 2 panels, trace the other sleeve to the other 2 panels. After tracing, you may cut the sleeve holes out. After cutting them out, they may look like this. So I wouldn't get confused, I lined up the panels the way they're supposed to look as if to make a jacket, and I turned each one over to indicate on which pieces were the front and which panels were the back. Here I am giving my front panels a curvature neckline by tracing this shirt that I have. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and sew up everything except the arm holes and the neck hole. Here I'm just winding up my bobbin thread because I wanted it to be the same color as the leather of my jacket. After sewing all of my panels together, I went back and sewn down the panel seams so that they would lay flat on the inside. After sewing, this is what the jacket should look like so far. I decided to go with fabric sleeves instead of leather sleeves, and I'm going to use this old t-shirt and I'm going to trace and cut out the sleeve of a shirt that I already like the size of. I actually cut my sleeves out a little wonky, but here I'm just showing you that I'm going to close up the open side of my sleeve. After sewing my sleeves closed, I'm going to go ahead and sew them on to the jacket. Once I got the sleeves on, I tried the jacket on and realized I could take in a couple inches from the back panel. So I'm just drawing a line here for me to sew down. I tried it on again and realized I could take it in some more, so that is what I'm doing here. I also bought a burnt orange-ish type of color leather panels too from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use this panel to make the collar and the arm sleeve cover thingies. I don't know what those are called. For the collar, I cut out a 2" by 20" rectangle that will be folded in half. For the sleeve pieces, I cut out an oval shape with 3 inches as the radius. After cutting out the oval shape, I cut the oval in half the long way, and that will give me 1 piece for each sleeve. Here I am showing you where each of my burnt orange pieces are going to be sewn. After sewing on those pieces of leather, I added a zipper and the other finishing detail pieces. This little flag on the back was made with leftover leather and nail polish. And this is the final result. I absolutely love it. I will wear it again and again. I didn't show you guys how I made the D on my jacket, but I do have a video on how I made a previous varsity jacket where I did that in. I will link that video below. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you would make this. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.